Do you smell raw gasoline every time you walk by your car? Or does the gas pump handle constantly click off when you are trying to fill up the tank? You are likely dealing with code P2025, which points directly to a range issue with the EVAP fuel vapor temperature sensor. While this is a generic code for many OBD2 vehicles, it is famously common on Mercedes-Benz models. Your car has an evaporative emissions system designed to capture gas fumes from your fuel tank and recycle them into the engine to be burned instead of polluting the atmosphere. This system relies on a complex network of plastic pipes, valves, and sensors. And the sensor in question here is simply trying to tell the computer how hot those fuel vapors are. When this code pops up, the computer is seeing data that does not make sense, either because the sensor is dead or because the environment has destroyed the plumbing. You see, the biggest weakness of the EVAP system is that it is made almost entirely of plastic and rubber that sits underneath your car, exposed to road salt, freezing winters, and scorching hot asphalt. Over time, these plastic lines become brittle and crack, or the rubber hoses dry rot and split. To fix this, you need to get the car up in the air. But please use safety ramps instead of just a jack, because you will be spending a lot of time wiggling lines under the chassis. You need to inspect the charcoal canister and every inch of the tubing running from the fuel tank to the engine. You are looking for any physical cracks, splits, or disconnected tubes. Be extremely gentle when checking these connections because old plastic loves to snap, and you do not want to turn a simple inspection into a $1,000 repair job by breaking a main line. If all the physical plumbing looks perfect, then you have to test the sensor itself. Check the electrical connector for any signs of corrosion or broken locking tabs that might be causing a loose connection. If the wiring is solid, the sensor internal resistance is likely out of spec. Since this is an emissions code, it will not stop your car from driving, but you will fail your state inspection, and you might notice your fuel economy dropping slightly. If you cannot find a visible leak, the best move is to take it to a shop that has a smoke machine, as they can pump smoke into the system to spot microscopic leaks that you cannot see with the naked eye.